Israeli jelly donuts, or sufganiot, are a traditional and tasty part of the annual holiday Jew fest known as Hanukkah. Occasionally, these delights can end up a bit oily and undercooked in the middle. Tasters describe these donuts as coarse, chewy, and a holiday-ruining catastrophe. Our challenge was to create a fried pastry that had a light and crispy crust, airy texture, and a cool jam surprise, and was enjoyable enough to keep the family together through another holiday season.
Start by adding yeast and sugar to milk warmed to about 100 degrees. Chilled milk is too cold to inspire the yeast to rise properly, whereas hot milk will murder them. Mix to combine and let sit for 15 minutes. In a food processor fitted with a plastic blade, add flour, butter, using a spatula, salt, sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and brandy. After yeast has been inspired, add to the bowl with the other ingredients. Process the mixture until it begins to pull away from the sides of the bowl, about 20 seconds. The dough should be a bit sticky. Transfer the dough into a bowl, removing the displaced dough blade. Cover with a damp cloth and place it in a warm area to rise for 1 hour. Our tests show that a gas-fired artificial fireplace is optimal. Also ranking high was a heating vent, a boiler room, and a Swedish sauna. Not recommended is an HD Yuletide log, which is ineffective. After 1 hour, remove the dough from the bowl and roll it out on the counter to 1/2 inch thick. Using a 2 to 3 inch wide biscuit cutter or a small glass, cut out circles of dough. Re-roll excess dough to avoid any waste. Cover the circles with a damp towel and let sit for 1 hour. For this second rising, our kitchen experts recommend playing Rock Band 2, which gives the dough energy for its subsequent deep frying. Heat oil in a saucepan to 375 degrees and place circles of dough in the oil. Be sure that a Gentile does not do the frying, as they do not have the chosen hands. The dough will puff during the cooking. Do not be alarmed. Using a slotted spoon, flip the sufganiot over after 30 seconds of cooking. After 30 seconds, remove the pastry to a paper towel to drain and cool. Once cool, using a plastic condiment dispenser, suckle the donut with a generous serving of raspberry jam. There should be enough raspberry jam to fulminate over the donut in a debatably sexual manner. Do not be alarmed. Sift powdered sugar over the raspberry-filled donut and serve. Give extras to coworkers.